Over-the-counter, OTC, drugs are medications that can be purchased without a prescription from a healthcare professional, such as a doctor or a pharmacist. These drugs are widely available in pharmacies, grocery stores, and online. OTC drugs are generally considered safe for use without medical supervision, as they have been approved by regulatory agencies like the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA. They are intended for self-diagnosis and self-treatment of common ailments, such as headaches, allergies, and minor pain or fever. Examples of common OTC drugs include pain relievers like aspirin and ibuprofen, cough and cold medicines, antacids for heartburn, allergy medications like antihistamines, and topical creams and ointments for skin conditions. OTC drugs can be effective in treating many common health conditions, but it's important to use them properly to get the maximum benefit and minimize the risk of side effects. Here are some general guidelines for using OTC drugs safely and effectively. Always read the label before using an OTC drug. The label will provide important information about the drug, including the active ingredients, dosages, and any warnings or precautions. OTC drugs are labeled with recommended dosages, and it's important to follow these instructions carefully. Taking too much on OTC drug can be harmful and may cause side effects. OTC drugs can have side effects, even if they are used properly. Be sure to read the label and be aware of potential side effects, such as drowsiness, nausea, or upset stomach. If you are taking multiple medications, including prescription drugs, it's important to be cautious when using OTC drugs. Some OTC drugs can interact with other medications, which can be dangerous. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using an OTC drug if you are taking other medications. OTC drugs are generally intended for short-term use to relieve temporary symptoms. If your symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to see a healthcare professional for further evaluation and treatment. OTC drugs have an expiration date, and it's important not to use them beyond this date. Expired drugs may not work as intended and can be harmful. By following these guidelines, you can use OTC drugs safely and effectively to treat many common health conditions. However, if your symptoms persist or worsen, or if you have any concerns about using an OTC drug, it's important to see a healthcare professional for further evaluation and treatment.